So it's raining very heavily. What you can see is a paddy field in Sri Lanka. That is where they grow rice actually. So can you see the cows? Well, buffaloes actually. Cows and buffaloes. And they don't care whether it rains or not, they just chill. Rain or shine, they just keep eating grass. That's what they do, right? Now this particular wall roof structure is called Pollatu. Wahale, that means a roof made by dried coconut leaves. So this roof, okay, as you can see, these are the leaves from a coconut, and these leaves are dried from a coconut tree, obviously. So and don't talk to me about human rights, or sorry, animal rights, because I mean, if they want to, they can go, but I don't know. It's just the way it is, man. I am not in charge of these cows and buffaloes. I don't know who is in charge. Obviously, they're meant to take these cows to a shelter. Oh, I can see. Oh, yeah, I can see. So, one farmer has arrived and he's taking his cows to a shelter, as you can see, very far away. Can you see that? There we go. That's a good farmer. So he came all this way to take his cows. Well, there you go. These are massive cows. Well, these are just organic cows, okay? These guys are not meant to be slaughtered. These cows, basically, the farmers use these cows just for the milk, actually. Yeah, just for the milk and compost waste. So none of these cows are getting butchered for meat. No beef will come out of these cows. So in that way, these cows are very fortunate, don't you think? I know. And as you can see, the young calves. So if you want to see a scene of rural Sri Lanka, well, this is it. By the way, I'm recording this video from Bowatta Mahamevunava Monastery. So there's a huge paddy field just front of the monastery. So we have been building a stupa called Sri Angulimala Stupa Vahanse. So that stupa enshrines the sacred relics of Samma Sambuddha and the sacred relics of Sri Angulimala Arahattero. So we are in the process of building it, and I'm not allowed to record it. So that's why you're not going to be able to see that. As you can see, I can show you a wonderful and beautiful boar tree. That is a boar tree. Boar tree is where Buddha attained enlightenment on. Okay.